So welcome to my new series, small series called the Elevate series. I'm going to take some of your favorite store brand things and elevate it. So today we're doing marinara sauce or spaghetti sauce or ragu. So I'm starting in my garden with some fresh herbs. You can use dry, y'all know I don't care. Okay, fresh is just, I have a garden, so I'm going to definitely use it. Okay, but if I had dry, which I do, and you'll see, I will use that too, so it doesn't matter, guys. So here's our ingredients. I'm not gonna do too much talking because I have a little bit of video labeled, but I did want to come in and give an intro and thank you guys for watching. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can get every recipe that I post or every video with the kiddos or whatever you want. Okay, guys? So I'm gonna shut up now. Enjoy the video. Thanks for watching.